What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing general discussions, analysis, and news about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and blockchain technology. That's all that this video is. Guys, it's just a discussion, okay? It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the latest crypto news and talking about the latest crypto prices and so on. So let's talk about it. And I was actually going through, guys, my analytics yesterday. I don't know if this surprises you or not, okay? And maybe there is a female watching this video right now. But I ran through several of my videos. Every single girl has disappeared from crypto. I don't know why. The viewership was only like... it was 90.2% or something male and like 9.8% female or something like that. And now we're literally at 0%. So times are very, very tough right now for cryptocurrency. And you guys are literally the last remaining among cryptocurrency investors and among cryptocurrency traders. Don't give up, okay? Push through. I was looking at prices this morning. I'm going to get into the Shiba Inu coin article in a minute here. I was looking at prices this morning, guys. It's tough to want to buy when you're sitting at a level of 15 extreme fear. It's tough to want to buy when you think the price is going to continue going down and you don't know if Ethereum's going to end up being $50 by the end of the year or not, right? It's tough to want to continue buying because, of course, there could always be a better opportunity tomorrow. There could always be a lower price tomorrow. But, guys, we are given... okay, we are being given an incredible opportunity right now to buy when the entire industry is sitting on a $2.6 trillion market cap. We are sitting on an incredible opportunity where you could literally triple your money if Solana just gets back to the prices that it was at a couple of months ago. You could literally double your money if Ethereum gets back to the prices that it was at just a couple of months ago. And go on down the line, right? It gets even better when you get into the more speculative, smaller altcoins and meme coins. Look at it as an opportunity. And when you do, the fear fades and optimism rises. And when that happens, we will see this fear turn to greed. So hopefully that helps somebody out there look towards the future, not just the present. Now, let's talk about what Shiba Inu coin is doing. It says Shiba Inu coin trades near crucial weekly support as bearish momentum stays weak, with buyers defending the 670 point per coin level. Now, this is Dogecoin right here, but if you pull up Shiba Inu coin, you're going to be able to see that SHIB is sitting on a major floor. Okay, currently it's 700 points per coin. 670 points per coin was tested yesterday and the day before and the day before that. And, of course, the blue line, essentially where Shiba Inu coin is at right now, is the major floor that held up through the bear market after 2021. Held up as the bottom in 2021 as well before it ripped up higher. The bear market of 2022 into 2023. And of course, every single time it has used this floor to rally higher. So, can it hold this level? I believe the answer is yes, but of course I'm predicting the future by saying yes, and nobody knows what comes tomorrow. The analysts say that Shiba Inu coin's price is showing a short-term rebound, rising about 1.47% over the last 24 hours to near 687 points per coin. Slightly higher at the time that I'm recording this video, it's 701 points per coin. After bouncing from an intraday low of around 650, price action shows lower highs followed by a sharp pullback, suggesting bears still have the short-term control, while buyers defend the support zone around 675 points per coin. The muted volatility and flattening momentum indicate consolidation rather than a decisive trend, with upside moves likely facing resistance near 690 points per coin unless stronger buyer interest returns. And of course, we are at 701 points per coin right now, so we must have gotten that stronger buyer interest. It says Shiba Inu coin is sitting at a critical inflection point on the weekly time frame, where the 667 point per coin level stands out as major support, highlighted by Ali charts. The price action has been trending lower with consistent lower highs, and the current structure shows Shiba Inu coin pressing directly into the long-term demand area. Historically, this zone serves as a base of accumulation, making it a key line for bulls to defend to prevent deeper breakdown. And that's what we were just talking about there. This major floor that Shiba Inu coin has held up over the last, essentially, lifetime of SHIB. The only time that it was lower than this was after its initial launch. Fell out of the sky, fell down to nothing, and of course has defended this level ever since. So yes, I believe the bulls will continue to defend this area. I believe the bears, guys, they're losing steam, okay? The fear is high right now, but the bears are losing steam. People, they can't let prices get too low. You know what I mean? Like, think about it with Bitcoin for a second. If Bitcoin ever fell down to $1,000 per coin, you gonna buy one? Yeah, you probably would. Well, there's people out there that are saying if Bitcoin ever reached $10,000, they're buying one. If Bitcoin ever fell back down to $50,000, they're buying one. Everybody's got their price point in mind. It can't go so low that it doesn't exist anymore, right? Shiba Inu coin can't go back down to $100 market cap. It's just not going to be feasible with the amount of people that are looking at it and the amount of people that know about it. So stay optimistic, and I choose to continue accumulating. I actually bought a little bit more yesterday. I'll look at buying a little bit more today, considering we are in an extremely fearful situation.